Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Hope it's not too dark. It looks dark on the view screen, which I shouldn't be looking at. Bad habits. So what I wanted to say is I'm a little day hike today. I'll probably be up this next weekend. Just came out, you know, I got the Hidden Woodsman Mike Charlie pack, one of my favorites. I don't have a lot on me. I do have my fire kit and a little backup kit. But I wanted to actually just express how much I appreciate all of you who watch, all of you who comment, all of you who watch and comment. You know, it's like, I know I always say thanks for watching at the end of my vids, but I really do truly appreciate it. You know, it's like, you know, you guys are like friends, family, you know, brothers, sisters. You know, it's like, I value you all. You know, I wish I could afford to buy like an adventure van and just go around and visit everybody, which would be awesome. Go down and rake lawn, or in my woodsman's leaves, since Ron won't. Or Ron's too busy to, I should say. Yeah, just you know, yeah, I just wanted to say, you know, thank you to all of you. I mean, I did mention that I wasn't super happy with a lot of the content in my Fired Up Friday, and a lot of you had said, you know, that you were enjoying it, so I'm happy about that. You know, just I'm not out, just haven't got the time to go camping is all. But I still try to get out when I can. Like today, just went and did a day hike, got a little sweat going, you know, burned a few calories, ate a few cookies during, but you know, whatever. But you know, I'm still doing the 6 vids a week for a small channel is a lot. So, but I'm still forging forward, just doing what I can, the time I've got during the day. I'm going to spend, when I get home, I'm going to leave here, go cook some lunch for Tailgate Thursday, but then I'm going to go home and I'm going to relax. I'm not going to do anything else but sit and chill. So, but I wanted to say something on video and get my appreciation out there for a lot of you who, you know, are continuously sticking with me through all the, you know, the good times and, you know, sometimes the annoying times, but, you know, it's just how life is. So probably a quick one. I actually had something else planned today for today's upload, but I haven't finished shooting all the video yet, so I'll have to get to that when I can. Working on, well, working on this little pack right here. Little, well, I guess teaser. I'm working on a backup fire kit, which I'll go over in detail in the other video. But instead of continuing to ramble, I'll just say again, thank you very much, everybody, and I will catch you in the next one. So peace out. Oh yeah, I wanted to throw in too, you might see some B-roll at the beginning of this of me hiking, and I'm going to use it again when I actually post the hiking video. I just do that because I'm shooting it on the same day, so I like to reuse some of my B-roll just because it gets a little, you know, it puts a little bit more action in the video than just turn on, talk, turn off. So that's kind of why I do that. Break up the action a little bit.